Finding the perfect amp can transform your practice sessions and home recordings. Best Guitar Amplifier for home use options deliver great tone, compact size, and manageable volume. In this guide, we'll explore top amps that give you professional sound without disturbing the neighbors. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Flatsons Guitar Amplifier for home use. The Flatsons Guitar Amplifier for home use is a compact and practical option designed specifically for guitarists who want great sound while practicing at home. Built with pure analog technology, this amplifier delivers a clear and natural tone with an impressive frequency response of 100 Hz to 20 kHz, ensuring your guitar sounds balanced and detailed. Despite its small size, the 10-watt output provides enough power to fill a room, making it ideal for home practice, casual jam sessions, or even small outdoor performances. One of the standout features is its dual tone modes, allowing players to switch between clean and drive sounds with ease. This makes it suitable for multiple music styles, from soft blues and pop to heavier rock tones. The gain and tone knobs give you full control over your sound, helping you shape your tone exactly the way you want. For quiet practice, the 3.5mm headphone jack is extremely useful, while the AUX input allows you to connect your phone or music player to jam along with your favorite songs. The amplifier also supports wireless audio streaming through Bluetooth 5.3, adding modern convenience. With a lightweight body, USB-C rechargeable battery, and up to 6 hours of playtime, it's a reliable and portable amp for everyday use. Number 2. Fender Guitar Amplifier for home use. The Fender Mustang LT25 guitar amplifier is one of the most popular practice amplifiers available for home use, especially among beginners and intermediate players. Delivering 25 watts of power, this amp offers enough volume for home practice while still maintaining excellent sound clarity. Fender is known worldwide for its iconic guitar tones, and this amplifier continues that tradition with a specially designed 8-inch Fender speaker that produces rich and balanced sound across different styles of music. One of the most appealing features of this amplifier is its easy-to-use digital interface. The built-in 1.8-inch color display makes navigation simple, allowing players to quickly adjust settings, switch presets, and experiment with tones. For beginners, this user-friendly system removes the complexity often associated with digital amplifiers. Another major highlight is the inclusion of 30 preloaded presets that cover a wide range of genres, from clean pop and blues tones to heavier rock and metal sounds. These presets allow players to instantly access professional-style tones without needing extra pedals. The combination of versatility, sound quality, and intuitive controls makes the Mustang LT25 an excellent home practice amplifier for guitarists who want to explore different sounds while improving their playing skills. Number 3. LEKATO Guitar Amplifier for home use. The LEKATO Guitar Amplifier for home use is a highly portable mini amplifier designed for guitarists who want convenience and mobility without sacrificing sound quality. This small but capable amplifier is perfect for practice sessions, travel, or spontaneous jam sessions. With its compact design, it easily fits into a backpack or guitar bag, making it a great companion for musicians who like to practice anywhere. Despite its small size, the 5-watt speaker provides enough volume for personal practice and small environments. One of the most attractive features of this amplifier is its built-in effects. It includes 4 essential sound effects: clean, distortion, overdrive, and reverb. These effects allow players to experiment with different tones without needing additional pedals or gear. This makes it especially appealing for beginners who want to explore various sounds while learning guitar. The plug-and-play design also adds to its convenience. The 6.35mm plug connects directly to the guitar, reducing the need for extra cables and equipment. In addition, the Bluetooth audio function allows the amp to play music from your phone or other devices, so you can easily jam along with backing tracks. Number 4. Fender 10 watts guitar amplifier for home use. The Fender Frontman 10G guitar amplifier is a classic practice amp, known for its reliability and straightforward design. With 10 watts of power, this amplifier is ideal for home practice sessions where you want quality tone without overwhelming volume. It features a specially designed 6-inch Fender speaker that delivers clear highs, solid mids, and a surprisingly punchy low end for its small size. This makes it suitable for playing a wide range of musical styles, including blues, rock, and even heavier genres. One of the biggest advantages of the Frontman 10G is its simple control layout. The amp includes gain, volume, treble, and bass controls, allowing players to easily adjust their sound. There is also an overdrive select switch that lets you quickly move from a clean tone to a more aggressive, distorted sound. This flexibility makes it great for beginners who want to experiment with different tones while learning guitar. The closed-back cabinet design enhances the bass response and gives the amplifier a fuller sound compared to many small practice amps. Durable construction and Fender's long-standing reputation for quality make this amplifier a dependable choice for guitarists looking for an affordable and effective home practice solution. Number 5. Fender 50 watts guitar amplifier for home use. The Fender Champion 2 50 guitar amplifier is a powerful and versatile amplifier designed for players who want both home practice capability and enough power for rehearsals or small performances. With a strong 50-watt output and a 12-inch Fender special designed speaker, this amp delivers rich tone, strong projection, and impressive clarity. While it is powerful enough for band practice, it also includes features that make it suitable for practicing quietly at home. One of the major highlights of the Champion 250 is its wide range of built-in tones and effects. Players can access classic Fender clean sounds as well as overdrive tones inspired by British and modern amplifiers. In addition, the amp includes several built-in effects such as reverb, delay, chorus, tremolo, and vibrato tone. These effects allow guitarists to experiment with different sounds without needing external pedals. The amplifier also includes 2 channels for switching between clean and distorted tones, making it easy to adapt to different songs and playing styles. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.